Tired of the gray Ohio winters and looking for a lifestyle upgrade? You aren't alone. In 2026, the Ohio to Charleston pipeline is stronger than ever. But moving 700 miles isn't just about packing a truck, it's about a total life transformation. I'm giving you the step-by-step 2026 relocation plan to get you from the Buckeye State to the Holy City without the stress. Let's get moving. Ohio has its charms, but Charleston, South Carolina is currently ranked as one of the top growth hubs in the Southeast for 2026. Why? It's the Lowcountry lifestyle. We're talking about a 20% increase in tech and aerospace jobs thanks to the expanded Boeing and Volvo footprints. While Ohio offers a lower cost of living, Charleston, South Carolina offers a higher quality of life. From the historic cobblestones of the French Quarter to the world-class culinary scene that just saw 3 more James Beard nominations this year, the value is in the experience. Step 2 is choosing your vibe. If you want that suburban cool feel, Nexton in Somerville was just named the #1 master plan community in the nation for 2026. It's perfect for Ohio families looking for trails and tech-ready homes. Or maybe Mount Pleasant. It's just over the bridge from downtown. Check out Shem Creek for the best sunset views in the state. If you crave the coast, Isle of Palms and Sullivan's Island offer that pristine beach life that you just can't find in Lake Erie. Step 3, the logistics. 1. The move. Plan for a 2-day drive down I-77. 2. The market. The 2026 Charleston, South Carolina market is moving fast. Inventory is up by 12% from last year, giving buyers more options. But you need a local expert to navigate the flood zones and historic easements. 3. The transition. Switch your registration early. South Carolina vehicle taxes are handled differently than Ohio, so budget for that infrastructure maintenance fee upon arrival. The humidity might be a shock compared to a Cincinnati breeze, but the southern hospitality and the Atlantic Ocean make it all worth it. Charleston, South Carolina isn't just a city, it's a community waiting to welcome you home.